Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, let me share with you on how you can create glitter text effect here in Canva. So this is the updated version of my previous tutorial. It is because there are lots of comments there that the way that I teach there is not working with them. So I decided to create a new video. So let's go to Canva. By the way guys, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you are interested to this kind of topic, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to get you updated whenever I upload a new video. Let's create a blank presentation page. So this is the new way that I discover on how you can create a glitter text effect here in Canva. The first step is to insert a text. You can insert text by just clicking the text button here on the left toolbar, or you can just click the T key on your keyboard. Let's change this text to glitter. If you want to make it bigger, you can just drag this one like this, or you can access the font size at the top toolbar of your screen. If you want to make it uppercase, just click this one, uppercase, and there you go. Next is to insert an element. Go to elements and then just insert a square elements and then fill the text. Then color it with yellow. Position it to backward. Next is to change the font color to white. Next guys is to download this as PNG. Click on download and make sure that the file type is PNG. By the way guys, you can change the name here. Glitter text effect. And then re-upload it back to Canva. Add a new page. Then drag it to a new page. Let's change this one to see the background. Okay, there is a white background. Next is to delete the background. Go to edit image and then background remover. If you're using Canva free, you cannot access the Canva Pro background remover feature. If you want to try Canva Pro, you can use my link on the description below or in the pinned comment to use and explore Canva Pro for 30 days for free. Click on apply. Next guys is to look for glitter background. It's up to you to choose what you want to use here as a glitter. Let's try this one guys, and then fill the text. Then position it to backward. And then let's change the background page to yellow. And then download it again as PNG. Just download the page 2, click on download, and then re-upload it back to Canva. Just drag it here on the upload button or the upload section, and then add a page. You can change the page color to white. Then drag the image to the blank page. And then again, edit the image and then remove the background. Okay, as you can see guys, there is still a yellow background to some areas. Let's zoom it. What you can do is to click the erase button, and then you can resize the brush to smaller one. Click the part, and then just click this part. Okay, and then this one also. Okay, you can make it smaller, and then just click. Okay, and then click on done. Click on apply. Just wait for the saving pose to be done. Okay, this is done, and then you can resize it. And there you go. You have a glitter text made in Canva. You can use this text to decorate your design. You can play around with this text. Just go to edit image, and then go to adjust section. Click on see all. You can play around with the contrast, with the saturation, with the brightness, like that. Okay, and then if you want to edit image, and then you can put a shadow effects like curve. You can do it like drop. Okay, so it's up to you on how you can edit that image to make it look better, look good. So that's how you can create glitter text. This is my updated way on how to create glitter text here in Canva. So if you have any questions, you can comment down below guys, and you can share it to your friends to let them know that they can create glitter text here in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get you updated whenever I upload a new video. I hope to see you again on my next video guys, and God bless everyone. Bye.